So we're going to go ahead and move over to our next shop. We got ND Jones. We got Kumba Plumbing from Natalie. Kumba Plumbing, I like it. Publishing, not plumbing. I'm sorry. I don't know why I thought it said that. So Kumba Publishing. So we've got this right here. Let's check this first one out here. So gift for Black woman, matte art, home decor, Egyptian art print, Black artwork. Awesome. You're welcome, Stephanie. We got Black owned shop, art print, Black artwork, poster. Excellent. Okay. So the keywords, I don't know if this one right here, gift for, I mean, it's a good keyword, but it's a very broad keyword. So gift for Black woman is like 2 million possible different searches. So it's a good keyword, but I think it's too broad. I would want to get something, if somebody was looking for a gift for a woman, a Black woman, they could be looking for all sorts of things. They could be looking for every different category. They could be looking for, makeup and clothing and artwork. So I think like, you'd want to get a little bit more specific with your first keyword, like maybe a, Black woman art print or Black woman. Let's try that one. Black woman art print. And let's see, we've still got a great 150,000 searches. So that's beautiful. Lots and lots. This is my most popular artwork. So I made several versions with different keywords. Okay, cool. Very cool. Very smart. I like that. So you've definitely put together some beautiful stuff. Okay, looks like you already got that. Black woman art print. Okay, great. And you did a fantastic job on this one. This is a very, very pretty piece of art, and that you made that is incredible. I always admire people that can make stuff like this. It's incredible. So there we go. Looks like you're already one step ahead of me then. Black woman art print. And it looks like you've duplicated for a whole bunch of different keywords. So that's great. And, you can also look into your listing stats, whichever one is your most popular of this, you can look at the listing stats to find out actually which of those, which keywords are getting the most searches. So it'll give you some other kind of different keyword ideas or keyword suggestions. And let me see if I can find an example for you. Let's see here. If I can find one. I'm looking for a listing here. I could show you. There we go. Okay, so for this listing of mine, so this listing right here, it's a little Aquarium Sea decal. And on the stats for this listing, I can come down here and I've got a few other different keywords ideas. Now, sometimes it's not, as big, a lot of them will be similar, but this one starts with aquarium wall decal. And right here, we've got ocean wall decal, under the sea aquarium. That's the one we have. And then ocean fish under the sea. Let's check this one out here. Under the sea nursery, underwater. That's another one. But you'll get some different ideas. So look at the search terms on the listing stats there and see if you can see some other kind of ideas. And you can even go in some of the later ones. You might see some that are a little bit smaller, like this one, sea turtle. But it's just a new idea, a new keyword you could optimize your listing for. So let's get back. Let's check this out some more. Lots of beautiful art here. And let's check out this guy here. African American angel art print, Black angel art, gift for Black man, Black art prints, African art prints, fantasy art. Awesome. We got 8x10, 16x20. Here we go. Very cool. Who is that? I don't know, but she got it. That's amazing. If you had a photo of what this thing actually looks like when it arrives, like how is it rolled up, and even like some details of what the materials are of people holding it, that'd be kind of cool to see as well. But good keywords on this one. And let's check out the date here. So September 16th, so nice and fresh. I just keep pushing that. And I would also try, I see you've got about, let's see, 58 items in your shop. You've duplicated a bunch of these listings, and it looks like a lot of your best sellers. But I would love to see if you could come up with some other ways to kind of stage the item too, kind of show it off. Because, the pictures all they look very clean here, but they don't have as much like personality in the photo itself. It's just very matter of factly, like, here's what this looks like. I'd love to see kind of what could this look like, if we go look at the keyword you're using, Black woman art print, maybe we can get some ideas for how people stage their products. Like these ones here, we got some in the room above a couch. I think that's a nice way to kind of set it up. This one here, we've got it, with the flooring and a wall behind it. So it gives you kind of just a bit of a perspective of what this could actually look like in real life. And I think these types of images are nice to have. This one even here, showing it sat on a couch, but this one here, we've got the wall, and looks like pretty much all of yours are, you do have some of those images too, but for most of your thumbnails, it looks like you're using the same one that's just like really straightforward to the point. I'd like to see, I think you could, when duplicating these, you could also try some of those other settings where it's like against the wall, like this one, you've got it on the table there. This one, you have a vase next to it. This one, it's against the wall. And I think this one looks good. You got a nice blue wall and a bright orange image. So these images could also be used as thumbnails too. And I think they might even do better than some of the ones that you have now. So it's just something else I think you could try out, Natalie, and see what you get from it. I think there's definitely some opportunity there for you with some new thumbnails.